Ladies and gentlemen, good morning on this very beautiful day today. On behalf of NRW Invest, that's the Economic Development Corporation of North Rhine-Westphalia, I welcome you very heartily here in Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf is the capital of the German federal state of North Rhine-Westphalia, and you have chosen this location for your congress, and this has been a wise decision because your meeting today and tomorrow takes place in the economic center of Germany. As you perhaps know, North Rhine-Westphalia is one of the 16 so-called Bundesländer, or federal states. And economically, North Rhine-Westphalia is the most important one of these states. It is, very simplified, the 20% plus state of Germany. That means, in detail, 22% of the German population, 22% of the German GDP, 21% of the German working population, 20% of the foreign trade volume of the German foreign trade volume, 24% of the German students. But at least one little statistical outlier, 29% of the foreign direct investment in Germany are concentrated in North Rhine-Westphalia. And so you can find here about 12,000 companies from around the world, and even from each country who is present here today. Concerning the population, NRW, that means North Rhine-Westphalia, can be compared with Australia, 18 million inhabitants. Concerning GDP, it ranks between Turkey and the Netherlands. And that signs us all that's a real economic heavyweight here, heavyweight. And if a company wants to do business in Europe, NRW is the right base for your operations. In a one-day truck tour, you can reach about 150 million consumers. That means 1/3 of all consumers of the European Union and about 45% of the purchasing power here in the European Union. Well, these macroeconomic figures may give you a rough impression about the place where you spend your time today and tomorrow. And if you want to learn more about North Rhine-Westphalia, in the lobby there is a small booth of our agency with some information material, and during luncheon time and during the coffee break, me and one of my colleagues will be there for your questions. Now let me come to some facts and figures which might be more interesting for you, especially the metal producing and processing sector, with a focus on aluminium. Today, you not only find yourself in the heart of the German economy in general, but also in the center of the German aluminium industry and of the metal processing sector. And I can tell you that all elements of the aluminium value-added chain without bauxite mining you can find here in North Rhine-Westphalia. Within the European Union, Germany is the most important producer for primary aluminium. Norway and Iceland are the leading aluminium countries in Europe, especially because of their low energy costs. but they don't belong to the European Union. Within the European Union, Germany is the most important producer of primary aluminium. 3 of the 4 German aluminium smelters are located in North Rhine-Westphalia. And they stand for about 70% of the German primary aluminium production. The total German production amounts to nearly 1 million tons, a little bit less. And in addition to that, Germany generates 2 million tons semi-finished aluminium products, and of them 90% coming from North Rhine-Westphalia. That's why I speak about North Rhine-Westphalia as a German center of the aluminium industry. Besides this, North Rhine-Westphalia is home to 11 extruding companies, what means 1/3 of the German locations. And in total, 45,000 persons are employed in the aluminium industry of North Rhine-Westphalia. And these people create a turnover of 7.2 billion euro. Let us go to the next value-added chain link, the demand for aluminium. The German aluminium consumption per capita is the highest worldwide. Traditionally, Germany, and especially North Rhine-Westphalia, is home to a number of strong industries using aluminium. Mechanical engineering, for example, manufacture of metal products, the automotive industry, including automotive suppliers, and the construction sectors. These 4 sectors combined represent over 80,000 small, medium, and large economies, with a turnover of more than 200 billion euro, and that equals more or less the GDP of South Africa. Only these 4 sectors in North Rhine-Westphalia. These 80,000 companies are all potential consumers for aluminium solutions, be it for the manufacture of simple houseware, be it for the development of high sophisticated automotive parts. And nearly all industrial and trade companies need aluminium for packaging services. Last but not least, some words about a subject which might be most interesting for the participants of the Congress today: research and development, a very crucial link within the value-added chain. You all know Norsk Hydro. Hydro is the 4th largest aluminium company worldwide, with operations in about 40 countries around the world. And in Germany, Norsk Hydro is headquartered where? Of course, in North Rhine-Westphalia, especially in Bonn. Today, 2 representatives of the largest German operating unit, Hydro Aluminium Rolled Products, are speakers today, and I think they can tell you more about this company. Hydro operates in Neuss, Grevenbroich, and Dormagen, 3 cities just around the corner here. Something what you can call an aluminium triangle, with primary aluminium production in Neuss, the world's largest hot rolling mill in Dormagen, and a cold rolling mill for aluminium processing in Grevenbroich. But this triangle is completed to an aluminium rectangle by the Hydro Center of Aluminium Research and Development in Bonn, Germany's largest aluminium research facility, and I'm sure that Hartmut Jansen and Thomas Gossel can tell you more about this competence center. Another highly specialized research institution is the Aluminium Engineering Center Aachen, founded in 2003 at the Aachen University. It's one of the world-famous technical universities of the world. 8 institutes of the university with over 250 scientists are working in the field of interdisciplinary R&D, as well as advanced engineering and product design. And at the Technical University of Dortmund, also located in North Rhine-Westphalia, you find the Institute for Forming Technology and Lightweight Construction. Over 70 scientists and technicians are doing research in the field of innovative forming processes and energy efficiency. Well, you have seen all important elements of the aluminium value-added chain can be found in North Rhine-Westphalia in this federal state. And that makes our federal state so attractive, especially for aluminium processing companies. You find raw materials, semi-finished products, R&D facilities, the demand for aluminium products and applications, and last but not least, a highly skilled workforce with excellent experience in metal processing, because North Rhine-Westphalia is traditionally a metal processing federal state. We have a long tradition in this field. This Congress today is focused on a very special niche or sector of aluminium processing, the construction and optimization of heat exchangers for cooling, heating, and freezing. So nothing can be happen when I wish you cool-headed speakers, hot discussions, and your results should not be frozen but transformed into real products and solutions. In this sense, I wish you all a very successful Congress and have a nice time in Düsseldorf. Thank you very much.